Hello and welcome to another My Golden Heart video tutorial. Today, we'll be looking at how to view and pay invoices online using our new online platform. Let's begin. You will receive an email from one of our Golden Heart team members that looks something like this. Please read the email carefully, as it will include further details about your invoice. Invoices can be paid via check or e-transfer, as with our previous website. However, now you have the flexibility of also paying with a debit or credit card using the PayPal portal. Don't worry, you don't need a PayPal account. Let's take a look at our options. Scroll to the bottom of the email and click View Invoice. Here, you can view the details of your invoice and download a PDF copy for your records. The Pay Invoice button will be shown only if the invoice has not yet been paid. To pay this invoice, click the Pay Invoice button. Click Pay Now to continue. Here, you can choose to log into the PayPal portal if you have an existing account, or simply continue as a guest by clicking Pay with a Credit or Visa Debit button. Enter your payment card details correctly into the appropriate boxes. Check the Shipping Same as Billing box, then click the Continue as Guest button. Follow the confirmation prompts to complete the transaction. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. Visit us at mygoldenheart.ca to learn more about our services.